So the iPhone 13 mini could be the best camera for creators right now to be creating videos on YouTube and TikTok. So let me explain why. Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys why I think the iPhone 13 mini is probably the best camera right now for you to buy to start creating YouTube videos or also any other videos on different types of platforms. And that is because of one cool feature that Apple included and updated on its camera app, and that is cinematic mode. So cinematic mode is a new feature that's only available on the iPhone 13 models right now. Maybe in the future, if Apple does decide to do a software update or something, they'll be able to bring it to the older models. But for now, it's only exclusive to the iPhone 13. So cinematic mode is a game changer to many people, to photographers, to video editors, and just to anybody creating videos on the iPhone. And that is because it gives you, the creator, so much more power when it comes to controlling and focusing on your iPhone. So this is cinematic mode right now. I'm using it right now to record this video where I'm in focus right now, and the background is a little bit blurriness, which is really, really great because that means I'm standing out from the background, and you love that little nice blurriness. And that's why I think that cinematic mode is going to be a sleeper hit for a lot of creators on YouTube and TikTok and other social media platforms because of this neat feature where you could be in focus. If you're talking to the camera and to your followers will be focused on you, and you'll have a nice little background image as well, which is blurred out, and you'll stand out from the video, which is always a great thing. But another cool feature that I really like about cinematic mode is the controls of where you want to focus yourself. So right now, of course, in this video, I'm focusing right now myself, but also I can focus other objects on this room. So like if I move around here and I just tap on right here, I'm focusing on the picture frame right there, which is really neat, of course. Like if you're doing YouTube videos or something, you want to talk about something, but you still want to be in the screen, but you want to focus on something else, you could do right now. You could do that right within the app. And then of course, when I come back to frame, I could just tap on the screen again and I just focus myself, which is really, really cool because these features were only supposed to be available for the bigger cameras and not for small cameras that are built into the iPhone or something like that. Like these are features that were only pretty much available to DSLRs, to mirrorless, and to other bigger cameras. So it's really, really cool that Apple actually found a way to bring these features to the iPhone 13, even though it's using algorithms and everything, which is still a really, really cool thing that Apple was able to do that. So yeah, just one of my favorite features right now playing with the camera app in the iPhone 13 is cinematic mode, but also because of what creators will be able to create on YouTube or on any other media platform, because it gives you, so much more flexibility and so much more playing power when you're creating some cool, unique videos on YouTube or any other social media platform. And so that's why I believe that cinematic mode is going to be a sleeper hit, that we're going to see a lot of videos of these on YouTube or any other TikTok or other platforms as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me talking a bit about this awesome, cool feature that's only available, of course, on the iPhone 13s, and what you could do with it as well, and how it's going to be super popular this future. So that's pretty much it. And as always, I will see you guys later.